What's up guys, welcome back to German Dream. My name is Ritvik. I'm currently living in Kaiserslautern, Germany, and I'm a student here at Technical University of Kaiserslautern, and I'm doing my masters in computer science. So in today's video I'm gonna give you a quick tour to my apartment, but before that we're gonna swing by an anime manga store in the city center Kaiserslautern. So let's just stick to the video then, and without wasting any further time, let's just start this video.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like fresh brush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down, enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, slide a dolly, low hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow.
So guys, now we are at one of the market streets in Kaiserslautern. This is a Asian store where you can get like Asian music CDs and other things. But as you can see, the market is like not very crowded because it's raining right now. So we are about to reach to the manga store, and let's go. This right here is a very popular Indian Pakistani restaurant, but it's very overpriced. So this is how like the European roadside restaurants look like. Look at this beautiful thing. I think it's still work in progress, but still it looks beautiful. There was a guy here right now, and he was German, and he saw that I'm an Indian, so he was selling Bhagavad Gita to me. He thought like I'm an Indian, so I would definitely buy a Bhagavad Gita. Alright. Alright guys, we are back, and right now I'm in front of my building, and I got some stuff from that manga store. I got 2 of these posters and some other stuff, and now we'll go into our building and I'll show you how my place looks like, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we are inside the building, and now we're gonna have to go up 4 floors to my place. Okay, so I'll just quickly skip the stairs for you and I'll directly see you inside my place. Bye. Alright, so now we are at our apartment. The gate is already open because I left it open. Now we are in. This is a place where we remove our shoes. So let's just walk straight in. So this is like a common area. This is the bathroom here. Let me just turn on the light for the bathroom. Right, so this is the bathroom, these are the mirrors, and this is me. This is the bathtub, and there is, well, you know, I won't show you. So let's show you the kitchen. First I'll switch on the lights. Okay, so here is our kitchen. These are some wash utensils. This is biryani which we made last night. This is how our kitchen looks like. This is a refrigerator, common refrigerator in a rack full of utensils. And this is another rack where you can keep your stuff. This one is my shelf. And here are the shelves of my roommates. Alright, so let's just close this and let's get back to the room. Okay. Alright guys, so now we are going to enter into my room. Alright, so this is the place where I live. A lamp, a nice couch. This is a radiator, this is my working table. A poster from Sin City. I don't know if you guys have watched it. So another chair. It's my guitar, which I play in my free time. And the best part of this apartment is like this is one room and this is another room, and these both rooms belong to me. So this is a nice mirror. We look upon this every day, try to build up some confidence are inside. This is a stand kind of thing to dry your clothes. Another Sin City poster. This is Jessica Alba. I don't know if you guys know about her. This is my bed. These are the posters which I got just now from Manga Mafia. This is an Almira. These are the bags which I got from India. Another rack. Some fruits over there. So this is how my room looks like, and this is the view outside from my window. You guys must have seen this already in my Instagram stories if you follow me. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. You will see much more things on my Instagram story. This is how the lights look like here, and as you can see, there is no fan here. Alright guys, so this was a quick apartment tour where I live, and I also showed you a little glimpse of the market. Actually, that market would be much more lit when it's dark, because like there is everywhere light because of this Christmas thing, so it's very good in dark. So if you want to see some things which I am not able to show you in this video, please follow me on Instagram and follow me there. And yes, and you can ask me queries there regarding anything about coming to Germany or how to apply to universities, because it's very easy. It's very convenient for me to reply back to you through Instagram, because it's very difficult to like go through comments on YouTube videos regularly. It's not quite possible. So you can follow me on Instagram, put your queries there. Also, you can be a part of our community by joining the WhatsApp groups through the links given in the description. And yes, the number, the amount which I pay for this apartment. The rent is a bit too high, but I think it justifies the place because of the spaciousness and all the amenities inside this place and everything. So the rent I pay is like 380 euros per month. Yes, it's a little bit high, but I think it's justified for this place. And yes, this place is also like close to university. This place is very close to the city center. The main railway station, or the Hauptbahnhof, is like 2 minutes walk from my place, and there is a bus stop right outside the right outside my building, so wherever I have to go, I guess can get a bus from there. And this place is like very well connected to almost entire Kaiserslautern, so you can get bus for like almost everywhere from this one bus stop right outside my building. So in that way, this whole place is like very good according to the price. So how did I get this place? Now many of you might know like that getting an apartment from student in WG is not very easy, because like there is always a waiting list, and you might have to wait 1 semester or 2 semester for getting a apartment in student in WG. Now most of the people want to get apartment in student in WG because of the cost effectiveness. The rent is like around 250 or something, or maybe less. So that is the main reason why anyone wants to live in student in WG. But in the meantime, if you're not getting anything from student in WG, what should you do? You should do certain things. The first thing you can do is like you can go to some certain Facebook pages, like whichever city you are going to, you can just put like Indians in or Americans in, or whichever country you belong to, and that city name. Like for me, I search for Indians in Kaiserslautern, or you can search for Indians in Berlin, Indians in Munich, and like it goes on like this. So there are several Facebook pages according to the city, according to the people, and you can just go to those Facebook pages. You can ask around there to people. You can get many recommendations for housing from there. So this is one option. The other option is like there are several apps through which you can get the accommodation to live here in Germany. Like I got my accommodation from a app. It's called WG-Gesucht.de. It's a website, the .de, but they also have an app. So there are certain apps through which you can get apartment. I will write the names of the apps in the description box, because I exactly don't remember the names right now. Like there is Imo Scout, there is WG-Gesucht, and there is eBay Kleinanzeigen. You can also get apartment from eBay Kleinanzeigen. Okay, so like there are many other apps, so you can get a place to live from these apps. So this is one way. And yeah, I think this was all from today's video, and I hope to see you next time on the other side of the screen. Bye bye.